Thank you for choosing GCC LaserPro C180, the best laser in the marketplace. Let's get started with the LaserPro C180 installation video. We'll go through simple step-by-step instructions. Place and operate the LaserPro C180 in an office environment. Before unpacking, please note the following. Temperature should be between 60 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Humidity should be between 30 to 40%. Avoid high levels of dust, high temperature, and high humidity. Set up the machine at least 2 feet away from the wall for proper ventilation. First, we remove the top part of the box. Remove the wrapping and take off the top. Do not throw away the box. As you open, remove the accessory box. Remove the foam inserts. Do not throw away the inserts. Carefully lift the machine out of the box with the help of another person. Place the machine at a suitable location. Be sure it can support the weight. Now let's go over the features of the C180. Notice the control panel. This is where you plug in the power cord. On the back, we have the air valve, USB port, and the printer port. To the right, we have the exhaust port. Next, we'll go through the contents of the accessory box. Goggles, power cord, 2-inch tube, hose adapter, lens cleaner, cotton swabs, installation CD, lens tissue, printer cable, hose clamps, USB cable, and focusing tool. Now it's time to set up the C180 laser. Air extraction system installation. Connect the 2-inch tube to the hose adapter using the hose clamps. Connect the 2-inch tube to the exhaust port using the hose clamps. Connect the hose adapter to the 4-inch hose using the hose clamps. Air compressor installation. Attach the air compressor tube from the compressor to the air assist valve. Plug in the power cord. On-off switch is to the left. There are 2 ways to transfer data to the laser. Via the printer port or the USB port. It's time to set up the LaserPro C180 driver. Insert the CD into your computer's CD drive. Select your machine model, C180. Select LaserPro driver. Click Next. Click Yes upon completion. Installation complete. Time to power up your laser. Make sure the computer and laser are turned off before connecting to power. Then turn the power on. Check the LCD display and LED light. The lens carriage will find the home position. Turn on the LED light with the lower left button on the control panel. Install the autofocus tool, Smart Pin, into the right side of the laser head. Press the autofocus button to set focus distance. Remove the Smart Pin for manual focus. Drop in the manual focus pin and use the up-down buttons to manually adjust the optimal focal distance. The pin should barely touch the material. Now for the application demonstration. 2-ply laminate. Select Print Setup to locate C180. Select C180 from the drop box and click OK. Select Page Setup under Layout option. Now Page Size from C180. Click OK. Select an image and move to the upper left. Select Printer Properties to modify the parameters. Select Mode Setting and DPI. Select Speed Power PPI. Select Position Mode. Select Error Diffusion. Select Apply to print. Summary of parameter setting. Insert the material in the upper left. Close the door. Press the Start button. Laser will start to engrave. The engraving job is complete. Honeycomb table installation. Unpack the honeycomb table. Lower the working table to the bottom of the machine. Tighten the screws on the honeycomb table. Select Page Setup under Layout option. Select Print Setup to locate C180. Get page size from C180. Select an image. Select Printer Properties to modify the parameters. Select Mode Setting and DPI. Select Speed, Power, PPI. Select Apply to print. Summary of parameter setting. Place acrylic in the upper left corner. Use autofocus. Place the head to the upper left. Close the door and press start. Notice we are now cutting through the acrylic with the honeycomb table to hold the cutout pieces in place. The acrylic puzzle is now cut and put together. Rotary attachment installation. Unpack the box. Lower the working table to the bottom of the machine. Use the down arrow. Then turn off the power to the machine. Remove the metal plate. Attach the rotary attachment to the bottom of the bed with screws. Connect the cable to the port in the right rear of the laser. Now power on the laser. Select Print Setup to locate C180. Select Print Properties to locate Rotary Fixture. Select your diameter. Page Setup under Layout option. Get page size from C180. Create your artwork. Choose your font. Stretch to the right size. Adjust angle of rotation to 90 degrees. Move to upper left. Select Printer Properties to modify the parameters. Select Mode Setting and DPI. Select Speed Power PPI. Select Position Mode. Select Apply to print. Summary of parameter setting. Insert the glass into the rotary attachment and close both covers. Press the Start button to start engraving. The job is complete. Thank you for choosing the LaserPro C180 Laser Engraver. For more information, please visit www.laserproi.com.